Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold, analyze with the USA inflation report, CPI data report this week. You can join with my Telegram link is below. Get the accurate gold analysis with signals VIP access. Link is below. You can join with it. So I am in gold daily chart. You can see that this trend line, yellow color trend line, I have already marked that the price has reacted several times. This trend line, you can see that's the first and the second and the third and also at the fourth time. This is the key price zone with the price action technically set up. This is the key zone. This trend line breakout and down the below side, that is the bearish goal. So wait for breakout and retest and go to the upside, that is the bullish goal. That's a bearish or bullish goal. That's the with this trend line. So bullish goal, that's the target is 2080 2070. That is the upside goal trading target 2080. That's the bullish goal. And the bearish goal with the breakout this trend line, that is target is 1980 1970 level. That is the technical setup I have mentioned. So I am going to the analyze with the US inflation report. So I am in a Forex factory. So 13th February, that is the release USA CPI yearly report. You can see 3.4% is the current CPI rate, and the Fed American Central Bank expect 2.9% drop to the inflation report. If drop the CPI report 2.9% or below, that is like 2.8%, 2.7, 2.6 and 2.9 or below drop to the inflation report, that is the goal sell off, because of Fed will be the dovish with the March FOMC meeting. Because of Fed inflation goal is the 2%. So 2% will be reached, will be closely, that is the Fed will be dovish and interest rate cutoff is coming May FOMC meeting. That drop the CPI data report, that will be the gold demand and dollar sell off. That will help to the gold demand to the upside, that the CPI data report drop to the 2.9 or below. That is my first forecast with the inflation report USA. So other side is the CPI data report, inflation report not drops. It's like above 3%, 3.1%, 3.2, 3.3, or is the current rate 3.4%. That was not able to break the 3%, like 3.1 to 3, like that figure is the actual figure. That is the dollar demand. Fed will be hawkish, will be continuing again March FOMC meeting. So that is the reason that will help to the dollar demand. Inflation report was not to dropped to below 3%. That is the dollar demand, and again we can see the gold drop to the below side. So that is the chart. You can see this is the gold chart. Inflation report not drop to the below 3%. It's like 3.1 to 3.4% is the actual figure. That will help to the dollar demand, and that is the reason for gold sell off, the breakout to the below trend line. So that is my second forecast. So second analysis with the inflation report. So I have mentioned two options, two analysis with the CPI data report, that you should buy or sell gold with the inflation report. So you can join with my Telegram report, Telegram group. So accurate gold analysis signals how to trade with the inflation report. So join with it. Thank you very much.